Hey, why did you say very good? I don't know. You made me with dirt. Did I? Well, okay, I'll wash myself. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm back. Whoa. Ah. God, have you seen what's happening over there? Come on, let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go over. Why is it got all pitch white? Isn't this supposed to be a funny video? Let's give her the code. Ugh! Hey, did someone just do a fart? Yeah? Who did? Anyone? Anyone who did the fart? Yeah, or anyone who did the fart? Ugh. 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 Oh, it's healed. Yeah, it's me. It's one of the stinkiest farts ever! No, you're just joking, aren't you? I'm not joking. It is one of the stinkiest farts ever. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Can you smell it? Ew, it's disgusting. Yeah. Ow! Hey, well, take it back. Hey, take it back. That should do it. Ow! I flew! Like, I don't care whatever you say! Ugh! Hey, who actually got to a little rabbit? You did, Draggy? Oh, yeah, because I fell over. But because I hit Little Rabbit fell over. So you were one. So I'll kick you. No. You're supposed to be a funny video? Yeah. Then why is someone... Let me shoot her. Ow! That didn't actually hurt. I was just being silly. I bet this will hurt. Hey, were you supposed to get me? Yes? Hoo-ah! That should do it. Never do that again. Ow! Baby. No, baby, no, baby, no! No, baby, no, baby, no, baby, no! No! Oh! Help me! It's a little rabbit here. No, baby, no! Oh! Ah! There you go, guys.